Awami League President and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has directed to intensity the relief activities in flood-affected areas in Sylhet. This was stated by party's General Secretary Obaidul Qadir. Obaidul Qadir also said there will be a program of planting trees across the country along with other arrangements of Awami League's anniversary on June 23. In reply to a question from the newsman, Qadir said BNP wants to harm the country by creating hostile relations with India. Awami League has solved many problems by creating good relations with its neighbors. Awami League General Secretary Obaidul Qadir joined the joint meeting of Dhaka Metropolitan North-South Dhaka District Awami League and all affiliated organizations, President and General Secretary and mayors of Dhaka City Corporations at the party's central office at Bangabandhu Avenue on Thursday morning.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।